Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm sharing nighttime skincare and hair care routine. So let's begin with the video. So every night after cooking, my first step before sleep is to wash my face. So here I'm using Orga Tree product. So in Orga Tree, first I'm using this foaming face wash. This is vitamin C foaming face wash. Total two products I have, and I'm currently using this both the product on my hair and my skin. So on my face, right now I'm using vitamin C foaming face wash. It's not just a face wash, it's a beauty treatment. It's for skin enlightenment. It has no parabens, no mineral oil, no silicone sulfate. It has vitamins and oils. Plus it has many benefits which is there on the packaging itself. You can read all the key ingredients which is there in the packaging, like cacao plum, lemon peel, orange oil. These are the key ingredients, and the price of this product is 399 rupees. This is the inner packaging of the product, and this is foaming face wash. It has very nice bristles, and it comes with a built-in face brush made with soft silicone that generally exfoliates your skin and removes skin dulling layer of dead skin. So I just love the product. Let's wash my face. First I cleansed with normal water, and then I applied this face wash using this silicone brush. It's very soft brush. So first I'm applying it with the help of brush, and then secondly I'm massaging it for around 30 to 60 seconds with my hands, and then I just wash it off with normal lukewarm water, and this is the glow you can see. And after that I apply moisturizer. And for my hair I'm using again Orga Tree product, and this is hair growth oil that I'm going to use on my hair. As you can see, my hair, it's very dry, and from last 1 week I'm using this, and this is the pose for thumbnail. So right now I'm using hair growth oil, which has turmeric oil, bringraj oil, ginger oil in it, and it also has vitamins with oil and all the ingredients. It's there in the packaging itself. Price wise I think it's a bit expensive, but it's worth. It's for 749 rupees, but I think it's worth because I have applied this for around 2 to 3 times and I saw the result. And direction is apply it on the scalp from root to tip and massage it with fingertips in a circular motion. Leave it for 60 minutes or overnight, and then you can wash it off with water in the morning. So this is my hair care and skincare routine currently. I am just loving it. If at all you also love it, then do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.